Hi there, I'm a backpacking enthusiast, and today, I'd like to share with you some of the essentials that I believe are crucial when embarking on such an adventure. First and foremost, it's important to have a comfortable and sturdy backpack. Look for a pack that is made of durable materials like leather or nylon, and make sure it has a comfortable strap system. Don't forget to also pack a comfortable mat or foam roller for when you need to stretch out after a long day of hiking. Next up is a good quality tent. I prefer a tent that is easy to set up and has enough space for myself and my gear. Don't be afraid to get creative and learn how to pitch a tent like a pro. Also, a good headlamp or flashlight is essential for navigating at night, and being able to see your way in the dark is crucial. Another essential for backcountry adventures is a water purification system. This can be as simple as a filtration device or a boiling water pot. And it's important to have one on hand in case you find yourself in a situation where water is scarce or unhealthy. In addition to these practical items, it's also a good idea to pack some first aid supplies and a basic survival kit. This should include a multi-tool, duct tape, a whistle, and some basic food items like non-fat milk, energy bars, and chocolate. Lastly, don't forget to be prepared for the unexpected. Pack a small weather-appropriate backpack and be sure to have something stylish to wear. You want to look good while you're exploring the great outdoors. In summary, being prepared with a comfortable backpack, a durable tent, a quality water purification system, first aid supplies, and appropriate clothing is key to an enjoyable and successful backpacking experience.